friends, this is Jennifer from DecorSauce, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on how my painted vinyl floors are holding up more than 5 years later. So these floors were painted in 2015, and it was really only supposed to be a bridge to when I actually did a full gut reno on this room, but it looks so fabulous still to this day that it's hard for me to get my husband to justify doing the big demo on this awful room, or what was awful. So here are the floors, as you can see behind me. It's been 5 years, folks, and they still look magnificent. Now, if you watch my channel and you follow my posts, you know that the most important thing I always tell you to do is prep, prep, prep. And this floor was no lack of that example. I did all the necessary steps for prep, and this floor is held up beautifully. There is literally zero damage to it. Now, because I live in Florida and we are able to buy oil-based porch and floor paint here, that is what I used. It is an exterior porch and floor, and it is oil-based. And it is very noxious when it goes down, but like I said, it's totally held up. In 5 years, I don't have any damage. The only thing I do want to say about it to you is that when you do have a painted vinyl floor, you definitely do not want to use anything with a rubber back. Any of your rugs cannot be rubber backed. So the ones you see here in my bathroom are cotton rugs, which means they have a cotton back. And the reason why is because if you put a rubber rug down on these floors, it will make a yellow stain, and it does not go away over time. So you definitely don't want to use anything rubber on them, but other than that, they've held up beautifully. They're absolutely perfect still. I use bleach on them because I live in a house with 3 males almost on a daily basis, especially around the potty area. So I would not hesitate to do this to your floors. And if you're interested in my tutorial, please check my channel. I do have the tutorial for all the steps on how to redo a painted vinyl floor, and also you can check out my website at DecorSauce.com for the full details of this transformation there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy DIY.